Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth taste good. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on high-quality bones and fresh vegetables. Roasting these before simmering adds a wonderful depth of flavor that makes all the difference. This simple step elevates your broth from good to truly exceptional, creating a rich foundation for any dish. Selecting the right ingredients is crucial for a flavorful broth. Opt for a variety of bones, such as marrow bones, knuckles, and even chicken feet, for maximum collagen and gelatin. Don't forget aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery. A splash of apple cider vinegar helps draw out valuable minerals, enriching your broth's nutritional profile. After roasting, place your bones and vegetables in a large pot and cover them with cold water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, never a rolling boil, to prevent cloudiness. Skim any foam that rises to the surface for a clearer broth. Let it cook slowly for at least 8 hours or even up to 24 hours for optimal flavor extraction. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove all solids. Now is the time to season it to perfection with salt, pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs like parsley or thyme. For an extra health boost, consider adding fresh ginger or turmeric. Store your delicious homemade broth in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.